There you are. That's you.
Just do it in both ears. Huh? Do it in both ears.
Say wave. Wave. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, great-great-grandma. Can you say that? Addie. Addie. Say hi, great-great-grandma. Say hi, great-great-grandma.
Go say hi, Grandma. That's about it.
Hi, Grandma. That's first safe.
Can you say great-grandma?
That's first safe.
Here's your great-great-grandson. You want me to hold that?
Hi, Grandma.
Can you say hi to Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Bye.
Where'd you go?
Where are you going?
Here.
I can't let you hold it.
Look.
Hannah, let me see. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Can you dance? Do you know how to dance?
Dance, baby.
Addie, dance. Show us your dance.
Addie, dance. It's kind of hard to dance.
It's the tumble step. Keep stepping like that, eventually he'll tumble.
What's that? Is the window?
That's fire.
Fire.
Cool. Who's that? Who is that?
Your mommy?
That's your mommy?
There.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
There.
Alright, we'll get some video of us. We're gonna do some selfies. Say hi. Hi.
Really cheeky.
Your cheekies.
My cheekies. Say hi.
Where's the door? Where's the door?
Huh?
Door?
That's not a door. That's a camera. Hold on, stay down. Whoa, Addie.
Where's a picture?
We're taking pictures. We're taking pictures. You have to wave. It's video, bro. This is the 21st century. 21st, bro. Say what? Say what you're gonna say, boy. Say what you're gonna say.
It's a true.
Do you remember your great-grandpa? He came out just the other day.
Glasses.
Yeah, those are Grandpa's glasses. Can't hold them. You break them and Grandpa can't see.
Clock.
That's a clock, yeah.
Oh, I didn't get down.
Addie, get down. Get down.
Where are you going to get out?
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Ooh. What are you doing, boy? Say, Mom, I'm wide open. I am wide open.
Yogurt? And over? Mama, eat up.
Yeah.
You're not having a vitamin right now, Addie.
Is that against a vitamin?
Yeah.
That's scary. I wanted my vitamins too, and I took them and ended up at the hospital being pumped full of charcoal.
Why?
Because I had to pump my stomach. I ate all of them.
Oh man.
The whole bottle. Like it was cool.
They taste good though.
Yeah, they are good.
Yeah, I
I
can eat
guess
this.
1, max 2 a day. Very much.
Get out of the cupboard, man.
Where's glasses?
I don't have the glasses. Come on. Thank you.
Where you going, boy?
Where's glasses?
Glasses. Hold on. Let me see what you want. Let's see what I got here. Let's see what you want to hold my phone. Boop. Oh. He's too smart. You see, he's used a touch screen, but he's never seen an older style cell phone.
Prehistoric.
Prehistoric, yeah, thanks.
It isn't.
Man, it was top of the line 20 years ago.
Is it indestructible, Zacchaeus?
That's my cricket phone.
Hi, slow dog. Addie, hello?
Hello? Where's up?
Hey, hello. Who's there?
Oh, you know what, Atticus? I just remembered I have a present for you.
Surprise.
That's cool.
I gave him my old iPod a while ago, but I don't even know where that.
Here you go. Here you go, Addie. Take it and slide like that. There you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What is it?
What you doing? No, no, no.
What's
No, 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 no. Not that. I hooked you up with a phone, bro. Here, let's see where the camera is. Go the other way. Go the other way. Go this way. Here, let's use the camera. Wait. Oh, go back. Go back. Right there. Oh, you know what you're doing. Where is the camera? Use the camera. You're going to go to Google? Oh, you're in Google. How do you know how to do that?
in your face?
You're not supposed to know how to do it.
Kiss my ass. Like Air Force.
So is this like Final Fantasy meets South Park?
It's like an RPG. Yeah.
Neat! Go Eddie! Go Eddie! You got your own cell phone.
No more bugging me.
Yeah, this is like a weird like role-playing game, but
How cool is that? Is that cool, Atticus? What's up?
What's that?
What's up, bro?
Let's go, asshole. You can't hurt me.
Yay!
Oh God, sweetie, you posted that picture of me?
You guys can actually hook them up to the Wi-Fi if you wanted to. I mean, it's. I'm just saying, you know. I mean,
That's not gonna happen. I'm going outside.
I'll join you.
Addie, why don't you go sit down? Please?
Please set your phone. They're hot. Bitch. Peter?
Where you going, boy? I'm gonna get you. He's wide open. He's wide open. Careful. I'm out here. Atticus. Addie. Come here, Addie. Come on. Get your phone. Get your phone. Don't put your phone on the ground. Get your phone. Come on. They're taking a shower. And that's how useless those child-proof things are supposed to be. Especially if that child is pretty smart, and this one is. Here, I'll put that thing back on there.
Oh, that's okay. I got it.
Alright.
I'm already dressed.
Okay, good. That made a great video showing how useless those things are.
Yeah. They worked up until, I guess, yesterday when he figured out how to use them.
You want to see how he did it?
Anyone a picture?
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of you.
A phone?
This isn't a phone, this is a camera. See? Look. Look, there's Addie. There's Addie. Say hi, Addie.
Hi,
Ow. Ow. Don't hit the baby. Don't hit the baby.
Picture.
Say hi, Addie.
Say hi, Andy.
Say hi, Uncle Rick.
Alright, you guys ready?
I'm gonna change it real quick. His diaper is still changed.
Say hi, Uncle Rick. Say hi, Auntie. Say hi, Uncle Rick.
Hat.
Say hi, Aunt Sue.
Soup.
Aunt Soup. That's close enough. We'll work with that. Say hi, great-great-grandma.
Quick.
Oh,
Okay.
that's
We're
lovely.
getting rid of some stuff here.
Oh, God.
Apparently he was holding him back.
He did say great, so he's getting there.
Give me a stinky.
I'll get him to say hi to everybody before I'm done here.
And I remember this letter.
And the cell phone. What more do you need?
So how's Todd's daughter?
She's doing good, Carol. She looks real good, real happy.
What was it?
I'll hold that for you, I guess. Are you skiing? Are you skiing? Addie,
Pay attention to Grandpa.
are you skiing? Woo-wee! Watch it. Watch this. See what he's doing? Look, he knows he can pull it apart.
Yeah. That's the flaw. Luckily the roommate
Oh,
can
there's
say
a door.
inside of his door. So, you have a path of destruction behind you.
He is wide open. Say, I'm wide open.
This was gonna be my wedding dress until the lady who made it like 5 times too big for a frumpy chick in the 90s. So I went in one of my mom's dresses.
You like shoes, don't you? You want to wear my sandals? You want to try my sandals? Try those out. Try those out, bro. Try them sandals on. You gotta do it like this. You put your toe in like that. See? See? You gotta go like that. Gotta go like that, okay? There you go. There you go. You got it. Now let's put that other one on. Isn't that weird? You think that's weird? Try them on. Oh yeah. You making a surfboard? Atticus, how old are you? Why you put my shoes in there? I gotta wear them.
Hold the door.
Hey, get them for me. I gotta wear those.
No, how do you know?
No. What in the world? Oh.
Hold the door.
Ow! Okay, we'll leave the door closed then. If it's like that. Addie, bump it. You gotta bump it. Give me 5. Up high. Whoa. Whoa.
High five.
High five. Down low.
Oh yeah.
Ooh yeah. The Duff Man loves it here. It's a Barney nightmare.
Go get Grandpa a big hug. Go get Grandpa a big hug. Go, 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 go.
Woo. Oh, I'm getting a big hug. Oh, I'm getting a kiss too. Look out.
Look at me.
I'm gonna say.
Singing something. Singing a song.
Okay, song. This one. Wait. We don't wait there. Uh-oh.
Ready?
Woo!
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Eight.
Hey!
Oh, am I gonna have to do some edit? Nah. Oh, do I have those on there?
My eyes.
What's in that face?
What'd you do? Get some soap in your eyes?
Bubbles, maybe?
Some bubble eye. Got him some bubble eye. That's what it is.
Is that first? Where is it?
What's that? Woo!
You want down? Not anymore.
Daddy. There they go.
Alright.
Off to start a new mess.
Oh, never ending.
What you doing, big dog?
Little puppy.
Is that your puppy? What's your puppy's name, Addie? Oh, he's got the Batman hookup.
That's a pretty sweet little toy.
I can't wait till it gets big enough for some Legos. I'll be down to play then.
Oh, I know. Now we can just get thrown everywhere.
Oh yeah, it'd be a nightmare.
We have some blocks, but they're just always all over the place. We just put them up in his little closet until he's ready for them.
What
What are you doing?
Don't they have like big old huge like Duplo blocks that are, I mean, they're big and you could build like little castles and stuff for to play in?
Some of those actually.
Right there?
Actually, hold on, let me go check.
Almost like giant Legos.
They're plastic.
Here we go.
Atticus, hello.
Look for Easter eggs.
Put it in your bucket.
What's that?
Put it in your bucket.
Put it, Addie.
Put it in the bucket.
You like that?
Atticus, here. Put it in. Hold that. Hold it.
He's like, wait a minute, what is that?
You gotta get the eggs first, man.
What is it? It's candy.
Go find the eggs.
There's more. Come on, let's go look.
Get your bucket.
Hold your bucket. Here you go.
Grab it.
Hold it. Nope.
No, hold it. He's like
He's
candy.
like, wait a
It's
minute.
just candy.
It's like a candy brain's not.
Come on. Hold your bucket. Go find the Easter eggs.
Look it. There's more.
Look at all the eggs.
Eddie, what's that? Right here. What's that? Put it in your bucket. Okay, go find more.
Like one at a time.
Go find more.
Yay!
Come put it in your bucket.
Put it in your bucket. Go find more.
Yay.
He's like, I'm gonna
Oh, yay!
Chocolate break.
Decent candy.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Trash?
Oh,
Good boy.
what's that on top?
What's that?
Get your eggie.
He's like, what are we
Get the egg. Put it in your bucket.
Multitask. Over there.
Careful.
He's like, I can do this somehow. I'll just figure this out.
It's gotta be a way.
This thing has a handle, but I'm not sure that's what it's for.
Quick chocolate break before we get back to egg hunting.
Addie, pick up your egg. Pick up the egg. No.
He's like, yeah, that egg can wait.
He's good enough.
I got a Reese's cup here.
I'm gonna be so hyped up today.
Mmm.
Get the egg.
Get your egg.
Get the egg. Turn around.
Behind you.
Turn around.
Look, what's that? What's that?
Addie, turn around.
Addie.
Oh, he's on his way.
I'll find some others. Maybe walk around and make with them.
Addie, put the bucket in. Put the egg. Right here. Put the egg.
It's like, where's my bucket?
Put it in the
Addie,
bucket.
put it in. Say trick or treat. There you go. Same thing. Same idea. Go get the eggs.
Go get your eggs. They're all over. Come on, let's find them. Come on. Addie, come on. Let's find your eggs. Yeah. Put it in your basket. Yay. All right, let's keep going. Come on. See any other eggs? Yeah. Okay, come on. Come on.
Nice.
Oh, good job, baby. Addie. Addie. Addie.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey. Addie. Atticus.
See an eggie? Where's an egg?
See the blue egg?
Where's the blue one?
Blue egg. To your left.
Turn around.
Addie.
Turn around.
Atticus.
Right there. Blue egg. Blue egg.
No, not over there.
Over
Ain't
here.
cold.
Addie. Right there. Right there, boy.
What color is that?
Woo! Yeah, it's good. It's full.
Come on, baby.
Over here.
Where's the more eggs at?
There's more eggs. Where's the orange one? Where's the orange egg? No, not over there.
Where's the
Turn
tree?
around.
Addie, where's the tree?
Tree.
That's right. It's down. Down.
Right there by the tree.
Ooh, what's that?
Orange.
Where's the purple one? Come here. Where's the cow? Alright, there's one more.
One more? Is it that one? Is it?
No, it's not.
There's another one.
One at the swing.
There's one more. There's more.
Where's the other egg at?
By the trash.
What's that?
No, there's another one.
Oh, there is.
Yeah, but on the swing.
Oh, he's not there.
Anyway.
Ash,
There's one
come
by
here.
the swing.
Where's your swing?
There's a red one on the swing.
Swing. Addie. Eggie on the swing. Atticus. Atticus.
Hey.
Addie. Hello. Yes. Where's the swing?
Egg
Addie.
on the swing. Get the other one.
Yay!
Alright. There you go. Yeah.
Pick him up, take a picture.
All right. What you got?
Addie.
Look at Daddy.
Addie. You should go take a picture of them for.
Yeah. You gonna put your egg in your bucket? Put it in your bucket. Whee!
You should go take a picture of them. Just nice little holiday picture, family portrait.
Yeah. Come here, Stinky.
Here we go. Come on. Come here, Addie.
Go see mommy.
Come here. Come on. Oh. Whoa. 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 There we go. Oh yeah, brah.
He goes straight for the chocolate. He
That's
doesn't
my
even
boy.
care about the
That's funny.
There you go. Good job, Addie.
He's good about picking up his trash.
What you doing, boy? Here, let Grandpa help you out. There you go. Don't throw it all in there. Take the trash in there. Put the trash in there. Hold on. Take the last piece of trash off before you close it. Eat your candy. Here, here. There. There you go. Put it in there. All right, look at Grandpa. Look at Grandpa, Addie. Mmm, is that good? That's good.
Addie, say Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter.
He's like, yeah, it is a happy Easter. Happy chocolate. I mean, Easter.
It's just chocolate, right? We're just talking about chocolate. Grandma's coming by to give you a basket, too.
Oh. Oh, my. Oh, yucky. Yucky. He's like, I don't give a shit about that. Give him to your grandpa. And there goes the dog.
No, don't put your eggie in there.
Keep your egg. Go put it back in your basket. Go put it back in your basket. That's great. That's not a phone. What is this? Addie, what is this? Oh, Lord. Look at that. He's had all kinds of chocolate. Looks like the dog. Looks like he's been taking bites out of it and then discarding it. Getting the first bite and giving the rest to the dog.
It's here. Chocolate!
Hey, all right. More chocolate.
Addie the rest.
Addie. He's so intent on his chocolate. Woo! Woo! Look at Atticus. Say hi, Addie.
Chocolate? The ornament?
Say hi, Addie.
The ornament? Okay.
Monkey boy.
Where has her?
There you go, Addie.
A little Easter egg hunt in the backyard there. So. Walk around.
Cool.
Everybody's gonna calm down.
Wow.
You want to go outside, Huggies?
He goes straight for the egg now. He knows there's something in that. Ooh, that looks like something Mommy will like.
Yeah.
That off to the
Grandpa.
side.
There's something.
About the dog?
Yeah, I couldn't make the appointment until Sunday because he's so this is my dilemma. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow too. I don't know what time the appointment's going to be for.
Here I go.
And
Give Grandma a hug.
give me kisses.
Oh, say bye, Grandma.
Okay, watch Stewie. I love you. I'll see you soon. I'll be by again.
Oh no.
So I'm about to spend some quality time with my daughter getting a tattoo. This is going to be fun.
And a little skin.
Here's a before. I'm getting rid of that heart that I did so many years ago for some unknown reason. And getting that changed into a...
Sweet.
into this. Alright, get some of that. There's Cal. All our junk. Just got finished.
Here's a little shot of the backside here.
Yeah.
Let's see, we got Kelly on this side. Pretty sweet. And there's a little Faticus over there. Atticus, my bad.
Did he say that? Did he call you Faticus?
How dare I? Cool. You got the hand already on there?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Look at that. Look at that. Turn around. Let Grandpa see. Don't touch it. Don't touch it, Annie. What are you doing, boy? Turn around. Come over here. Come over here. Come to Grandpa. Woo, boy. Look at that, boy. Look at his picture. Yeah.
Picture yourself. picture?
Mm-hmm. Grandpa's getting pictures. See, there's Addie. Say hi, Addie. Hi, Addie.
Over there.
I hope that's water.
We go.
Oh boy.
Over there. There was.
Yeah. Can you see his all right? Mm-hmm.
Addie.
Look at Grandma or Mommy. Say hi, Mommy.
Say hi, Mommy.
Yeah. We got all inked up, bro. We're all inked up. Oh!
Oh, I can do Addie. Addie. Addie.
Cái này là như chơi riêng được con cái à? Hai cái nó điện được.
He kept going, bye, Grandpa. Where do you want to go, baby? In the water. How do you do this?
You just gotta put her in first, or you hop in first, and then.
I'm gonna leave my purse over here.
Watch out for mommy's
Just put it on the belt.
There we go.
Oh boy.
Ready? We're gonna drive slow. See if we do it.
Ring the bell. Woo. Woo!